What's up, fans of Wonders of London? This is Vincent. Hope you're all doing well and having a good day. And as well as having so many phenomenal trees, much like this one that we're looking at the moment, the Regents Park, where I currently am in, has so many fantastic things to offer. You've got fantastic trees, but you also have a lot of brilliant wildlife, reeds, plants, flowers, etc. Just to give you a small idea of what you get here in the Regents Park, which is over 395 acres. We actually have mandarin ducks, we've got great crested grebes, Dorrington bats, we've got swifts, kestrels, noctule bats, grey herons, we've got green woodpeckers, we also have red foxes and brookline and banded demoiselle, which is quite fantastic. And another brilliant thing just to make a note of when you visit here, your closest station is of course Baker Street, and if you come to the Baker Street entrance, always look out at these beautiful flower arrangements that they have in this section of the Regents Park, because you got some lovely tulips in spring, which is the current season that we're in. So you can see these beautiful tulips slowly going out of season, but there's always something new and amazing to discover as you walk around and explore this phenomenal, beautiful park that is of course the Regents Park. I do hope you've enjoyed that video, and if you want to see more videos, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and of course see you later. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.